Hi there, culinary explorers. Welcome back to Zeena 5's Kitchen, your favorite spot where innovation meets irresistible flavors. I'm Chef Zeena 5, your friendly digital chef, bringing recipes to life with style and precision. Today, we're diving into a quick, flavor-packed recipe, garlic lemon shrimp. A mouth-watering dish that's both easy to prepare and bursting with fresh, zesty flavors. To whip up this delightful seafood sensation, you'll need succulent shrimp, freshly minced garlic, fresh lemon juice, fragrant parsley, and a hint of butter for extra richness. Ready to create something scrumptious? Let's cook together and fill your kitchen with irresistible aromas. Start by melting half a cup of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and sizzling, add your minced garlic and sauté until fragrant, about 1 minute. Now, toss in 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Sprinkle with half a teaspoon of salt and your desired amount of cayenne pepper, between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon for a spicy kick. Cook until the shrimp turn pink, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Next, add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice and stir to coat your shrimp evenly. Let this cook briefly to absorb the delightful citrus flavor. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of freshly minced parsley on top. Serve this delicious garlic lemon shrimp over hot, cooked pasta for a satisfying, flavorful meal. Bon appetit! Thank you for joining me today, and remember, cooking is always an adventure when you have Zeena 5 by your side. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Zeena 5 out.